privilege to work on a Mulsanne. It's a very majestic car, and everybody who sees it, including people that work at Bentley, always go, wow.
What makes Mulsanne special? For me it's the engine, the L-Series engine. It's amazing performance.
It is the last of the great coach-built cars. This car is entirely made by hand. It is made by craftsmen.
It's been a huge honour for me to come into this build hall and work with this product. Working with some great people in this building, it's been fantastic.
In terms of its execution, the authenticity of the materials, the craftsmanship, the car that you have been working on for the past 10 years is truly in another league.
I do think still it's the best car in the world. It's been the people that have made the difference. Can't say enough, it's been fantastic.
I just think it's an iconic, classic British car. I've never been over of its kind.
It truly is a handmade car, unlike pretty much any other car on the roads. It really is a very special car.
It is a flagship. I mean, the customers absolutely love it. A lot of customers come through here and talk to me, and they say it's the best car that they've ever had. And to us, it means a lot.
The level of expertise that goes into producing a Mulsanne is really second to none. Everybody should be very, very proud of their achievements.
I'd like to say, best team I've ever worked with. I will get upset. I'm retiring this year as well, so yeah, amazing. Amazing team. Thank you.